how to check the Fantasy Premier League transfer deadline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the Fantasy Premier League transfer deadline so you never miss a chance to tweak your squad before the game week kicks off. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the Fantasy tab, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And here in the Fantasy section, you can just tap on the transfer button. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the transfer page. Now here at the top, you can see the message that says deadline, and this is official deadline for the upcoming game week. So with that, here is a quick tip. So here you can simply go back to the home page of the Premier League app, and here you can just tap on profile icon, and after that you can just tap on my PL settings. And now here inside the my PL settings you can just tap on notification, and now here under the notification you can just tap on Fantasy Premier League option, and here in this section you can just toggle on the deadline reminders option, and once you do that, FPL will remind you before the deadline time runs out. And that's it. Now you should know how to check the FPL transfer deadlines and avoid missing those all important moves. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.